This morning at 10 yards I tried a selection of pellets: Wasp, Mosquito, FX, Falcon and Wire-Arc, and at 10 yards they all give what I would call good groups. Only the FX that was spread out a little bit, but for me that was certainly good enough. I moved out to 20 yards and unfortunately the first shot with the Wasp went all the way over there, and one kitten wants to play. So out of the way, kitten. The first shot for the Wasp was all over the place, and I decided to take a fourth shot, and it was fairly close to the other two there, but it was still a bit of a distance, so I'm not sure if I pulled the shot twice or two pellets produced a flyer. The Mosquito, compared to the 10 yards, that opened up quite a lot, and the FX, that stayed more or less the same, oddly enough, almost touching there and almost touching at 20 yards as well, so you could say that's consistent compared to the Mozzie that was excellent at 10 yards and opened up at 20. And I found this with a few others. The FX at 10 yards was more or less a single old group, and the Falcons at 20 yards, it had opened up a good group. I'm not disappointed with that at all, but compared to that one, it is open. Compared to the FX remaining the same, it's opened up, so how can you tell which is the better one? Obviously at further distance comparing. And the HW, the Wire-Arc, that done the same. It opened up a little bit, two good ones there, a little bit further away, and yet the 10 yards, it was absolutely brilliant. Single hole group, a wide one, a ragged hole admittingly, but it opened up. But I think overall for now, I think all these are worth taking out to a distance a bit further away and see how they perform at a longer range.